Good afternoon. It is approximately 2 p.m. as I record this video. It's August 1st, and I hope that your day is going well. In this video, I'm going to talk about 3 screencasting products that you may find beneficial as a lecturer when it comes to your online courses. And the first one I'm going to talk about is Screencasting. Now, some of you are teaching classes online and you would like to be able to give a lecture where your students can hear you, and you might want to share a PowerPoint or demonstrate something or display a web page during this lecture. And Screencast-O-Matic is a great tool for that. If your lecture is not long, some of you like to do little introductory videos where you will introduce a topic or introduce yourself. And this product does allow you to show your webcam as well as your computer screen. And with this free version of this product, your videos can be up to 15 minutes. Now, if you look, there are options for work and for education, and you'll see that there are some packages that give you more benefits than the free one would. And the Solo Deluxe, you'll see, is only $1.50 a month, and it bills annually, so it's $18 a year, while you have the Solo Premier, which is $4 a month, so that would be $48 a year. And this is a comparison of these two side by side. And now you have some for team plans. Say you're a college at a university and you want your faculty to have access to this product where each faculty member can utilize that same account. Now, you'll need at least 10 faculty members or 10 computers that would have access to this, and you'll see that for the Team Deluxe, they start off at $9.50 a month, and Team Premier, they start at $17.50 a month, and as you increase, the prices will go up. And if you need more than 500, you would need to contact the company directly. And you can click here to get a custom quote. So this product is relatively easy to use. In order to do so, you would click Start Recording for Free, Launch Free Recorder, and you see it's already open, so it's not going to let me do so. But once you do this, you will be prompted to download this web launch recorder right here. And once it's downloaded, you'll simply click it, and then you will see the Screencast-O-Matic recording option pop up, and you will simply start recording. This product, if you do intend to record longer lectures, you can purchase the Solo Deluxe or the Solo Premier if it's just you that's going to have access to this. And this would allow you to keep these videos for archival purposes, because after you've downloaded this video, once you finish recording the video and you've saved it, you can keep that on your computer or a USB, and you can also upload these videos directly to YouTube. Now, the next product I want to talk about is this OBS Studio. It's a product that one would download, and it is free of charge. In order to get started on this, you need to select the recording source, and typically it will be a display capture. And you see this is the screen we have right now. And then I would start recording, and then I would go to whatever web page it is that I have open. Like I have Mozilla Firefox open right now. And let's just say I wanted to look at a lesson on the water cycle. The display capture is basically whatever you have displayed on your computer screen at the moment. And if I click back on the software itself, you'll just see the screen of the software. So right now I have this web page on my screen, so that is what will be reflected on this screen capture. So now I'm going to go back to the software and I'm going to stop the recording. And once I've done that, if I look in my videos folder, and it's typically a default folder that comes on your computer or your laptop, you'll see that this is the latest video right here. It's right here. Okay. Okay, it's this. Okay. See, these videos will go directly to your computer, and if you want to upload this to your Moodle page, remember, your Moodle file can only be so large. So if you do take this route when recording your video, it's recommended that you convert this video to an MP4 file. And you can do that with a software called Any Video Converter. And I've actually have an online article about that. It's the Any Video Converter, and it is free of charge. But if need be, I will gladly give you that information if you ask, or if you even suggest that you want to use this product. Don't hesitate to ask me. I'll answer you. Now the last one is similar to Screencast-O-Matic, but it's called APowerSoft. Look at products and solutions, and we're going to go to online, and we are going to go to screen capture. And you'll see, just like Screencast-O-Matic, this one is similar in the sense that you don't have to download anything. You can take a screenshot here, or if you go to the screen recorder, you would simply hit start recording, and you'll be prompted to download or to open up the launcher. And once you've done that, you hit OK. and it will begin. Hit the record button and the watermark, yes. Microphone, hit OK. 2, 1, and now you see that the A power source is recording, and it will continue to record until you hit stop. And unlike Screencast-O-Matic, this doesn't have a time limit. Though, if you do sign up for a paid version, you may enjoy more benefits. So I'm going to stop recording now, and I'm going to skip that for right now. And if I click here, I can save my video and save as a video file. Open folder, and you'll see it goes to a PowerSoft folder. And if you wish to move this video somewhere else, such as your videos page or a USB, you can do that. And again, if your video is a relatively large file, if you're recording a larger lecture, like i.e. more than 15 minutes, you may want to convert the video into a smaller file. Not only will it make it easier for you to upload it to Moodle if it's still within the megabyte limit, but it will also make uploading this video to YouTube easier if you need to do that. That way you can always post this lecture as a link in your course. So these tools, you may want to share this information to your students. You may want to put these in your syllabi if you are interested in these tools and you would like for your students to do any projects utilizing these tools. For those of you that teach ed tech, these tools may come in handy for you as well as your students. I typically use the Screencast-O-Matic that I'm on right now when I'm doing a tutorial. With these other tools, they come in handy too, and they don't have the time limit that this one has. So if you do have additional questions, you can come visit me in the Burton Business Center. You can shoot me an email or you can give me a call. Until next time, I will see you guys later. Goodbye.